Question number 15. It's an output type of question. So global variables are not there. Execution of a Python program starts and ends at main function. So this is the starting point of main function. S is pointing to this string. Now you can write down the indices. You can write down the negative indices also. I need the negative index for this character. So I'm just noting it down. S contains the index -1. Now length of S, how many characters are there in S? 10 characters are there. So 10 is returned as answer. Your variable n contains 10. M is equal to empty string. So M is pointing to empty string. Range 0, n. N is 10. Range 0, 10 returns all the integers from 0 to 9. I takes the initial value 0. S of 0, W. So W greater than or equal to A and W less than or equal to M. We know that W is not between A and M. So control comes to else part. W greater than or equal to N and W less than or equal to Z. Correct, because W is between N and Z. So this will be executed. I is 0. S of 0 minus 1, S of minus 1, and what is S of minus 1? Alphabet S. So what is M? Empty string. So empty string concatenated with alphabet S, that comes in M. So now your M becomes alphabet S. After that, I takes the next integer in the range. I is equal to 1. So what is S of 1? E. E greater than or equal to A and E less than or equal to M. Condition true, because E is between A and M. So this will be executed. What is M? String S, that is concatenated with a I is 1, S of 1, small e dot upper. You get capital E. So S concatenated with a capital E, that comes in M. So now M becomes S capital E. I takes the next integer in the range 2. Now what is S of 2? L. So L greater than or equal to A and L less than or equal to M. It is correct because L is between A and M. So this will be executed. M contains SE, that is concatenated with a L dot upper. So L will be converted to uppercase. So here you get SEL. I takes the next integer in the range 3. What is S of 3? Small c. Small c greater than or equal to A and C less than or equal to M. True, because C is between A and M. Here variable M contains SEL, that is concatenated with small c dot upper. So here you get capital C. So here one capital C will come. I takes the next integer in the range 4. What is S of 4? O. Now small o greater than or equal to A and small o less than or equal to M. So O is not between A and M. So control will come to else part. O greater than or equal to N and O less than or equal to Z. Correct, because O is between N and Z. This will be executed. What does M contain? The string SELC, that is concatenated with I is 4, 4 minus 1, 3, and what is S of 3? You will get small c. So M concatenated with a small c, that comes in M. So here one small c will appear. I takes the next integer in the range 5. What is S of 5? Small m. Small m greater than or equal to A and small m less than or equal to M. Correct. So this will be executed. So M, which is SELCC, concatenated with a M dot upper. So here you get capital M. So M concatenated with a capital M, that comes in variable M. So here one capital M will appear. I takes the next integer in the range 6. Now S of 6, what is S of 6? E. E greater than or equal to A and E less than or equal to M. Correct. So this will be executed. M concatenated with a small e dot upper. So here you get capital E. So here one capital E will appear. Now the I takes the next integer in the range 7. S of 7. What is S of 7? 2. String 2. So 2 greater than or equal to A and 2 less than or equal to M. Wrong, because we know 2 is not between A and M. Control comes here. 2 is not between N and Z. Control comes here. 2 dot is upper. 2 is not an uppercase alphabet. Condition wrong. So finally control will come here. M is concatenated with ampersand sign, that will appear in M. So here one ampersand sign will appear. Now I takes the next integer in the range I is equal to 8. S of 8. What is S of 8? C. C greater than or equal to A and C less than or equal to M. Correct, because C is between A and M. This will be executed. M concatenated with a C dot upper. So here you get capital C. So one capital C will be appended. I takes the last integer in the range 9. What is S of 9? S. S greater than or equal to A and S less than or equal to M. Wrong. So control comes to the else part, because we know S is not between A and M. Control comes to else part. S greater than or equal to N and S less than or equal to Z. Correct, because S is between N and Z. This will be executed. I contains 9. 9 minus 1, 8. S of 8 will give you small c. So M concatenated with a small c, that comes in M. So here one small c will appear. Now there are no more integers in the range. You exit from this for loop and here you get the final answer. This string M will be displayed in the computer's monitor. So this is the final output of this program.